So let's look at multiplying fractions, right? So if we're multiplying a number with a fraction, let's say we're multiplying 2 multiplied by 1/3, right? So what we'll do is, if you think about the 2, this is just 2 over 1, right, as a fraction. And when you're multiplying something like this, you just multiply across. Okay, so we get 2 times 1, which is 2, and 1 times 3 is 3. So our solution is 2 over 3. Right, and that applies to anything. So if I were to say, let's multiply 4 times 5 over 12. All right, again, remember, this is just 4 over 1. And we multiply right across. 4 times 5 is 20. And 1 times 12 is 12. And we can actually simplify this. If we look at 20 and 12, the highest common factor between the two is 4. If we divide that by 4, 20 by 4, we get 5. And if we divide 12 by 4, we get 3. So we've simplified this fraction after we have multiplied it. All right, and the same goes through. So let's just say if we were multiplying 1 over 7 times 3 over 4, we go through the exact same process. We go 1 times 3 and 7 times 4. 1 times 3 is 3. 7 times 4 is 28. All right, and that's our solution right there as well. All right, that's our fraction. So we can go through and keep multiplying fractions in this process. So the idea of multiplying fractions is, if I had a fraction a over b and I say let's multiply it with c over d, okay, all you're doing is you're multiplying the numerator with the numerator and the denominator with the denominator. So we get ac over bd, okay? And then from there, if you can simplify the fraction, you simplify it by finding the highest common factor of the numerator and the denominator.